Tall grasses like maiden grass and this switchgrass look beautiful standing through the winter, but in spring it's time to clear them out for new growth. Start by bundling each plant with twine or a bungee cord. This makes cleanup so much easier. Then cut each clump off about 6 inches from the ground. If you have several clumps to do, powered hedge trimmers like this make quick work of the project. But manual hedge shears or even pruners can work if you don't have too many to do. You may notice some new growth mixed in with the old. Don't worry if you cut some of it off. New foliage will fill in later. Finally, rake up the last of the debris and wait for those big, beautiful plants to fill in again.
Hi, I'm Sherry with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, subscribe to our Garden Gate Magazine YouTube channel. You'll find tips, design ideas, how-to help for gardeners just like you. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video.